Meow. So this is just kind of a fun little sketch of a kitty playing. Just kind of feeling my way out. We've got to get that muzzle down a lot lower in this one, and the ears too. A lesson in perspective. So I'm just feeling my way out here, feeling out an eye line. And this is double speed. I have sped it up to twice as fast, so you don't see quite how slow I'm actually feeling my way. And we'll get that paw in there. So I'm just mapping out the general shapes right now. And I just love teaching cat drawing, and I love to hear what you really want to learn to draw, what you really want to learn about cat drawing. So drop me a comment. Let me know. Let me know if my videos are working for you, if I could change something to make it better. I love to hear from you, and I love to hear your cat's name too, and about your cat. So I'm just feeling my way through this ear here. It's a trickier perspective, so I'm moving a little slow. Once I like my lines, then I start to darken them up. I always put them in really light at first because it's a lot easier to change if you have to. And I end up with extra lines while I find my way, but they just kind of disappear into background tone as the drawing progresses. And they add authenticity and the human aspect to it. If you really are passionate about drawing cats, please join our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook. You'll find the link for that group in the video description below. And we'd love to have you if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. You'll find other handy links there too. Just tuck those eyes in there, and then I'll feel my way out for a nose. Nose is quite a bit farther down because of the perspective, farther down than face on anyways. Not much of a chin shows with this perspective. A touch, but not much. And I made a rhyme. Just made that eye on the our left a little bit smaller. It just was a bit too big. I love the lines beside the eyes. I just feel like it makes the cat look like it's wearing glasses, and I just really like to play that up for character. I'll tweak this paw a bit. Notice the toe lines are up a bit. They don't go right to the bottom of that paw I drew, and that's perspective too. With these eyes, I'm feeling out the fact that there actually is the pupil is completely round, but we don't see the top part. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a video. If you really are passionate about drawing cats, we'd love to have you help build our community. Just putting a piece of paper down there so I don't smudge my drawing too much, adding a suggestion of claws. Tabby stripes, that classic M on the forehead, one of my favorite parts of cat drawing. I'm going to speed it up a little quicker here to finish up this drawing. There There we go. Now it's 5 times the speed. We'll finish it up quick. I love it so far. Like curiosity. Just basically darkening up lines and adding the finishing touches. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to join our Facebook group, and we will see you next time.